Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Aditya and studying in Sri Venkateswara College of Engineering, Bengaluru. Today I'm in the branch Artificial Intelligence. Today I'm going to explain about the topic Calomel electron in the subject Applied Chemistry for CSE stream, subject code BCHES 202. Coming to the introduction to Calomel electrode. A calomel electrode is a type of reference electrode commonly used in electrochemical measurements. So this electrode is used in electrochemical measurements. It consists of mercury-based electrode in contact with a saturated calomel solution and a potassium chloride solution. So this basically consists of a mercury based electrode which is in contact with a saturated calomel solution and another potassium chloride solution. Calomel electrode are known for their stability and reproducibility in various electrochemical applications. So calomel electrodes are used in various electrochemical applications due to their reproducibility and stability. Construction of a calomel electrode. So how is a calomel electrode constructed? The calomel electrode typically consists of a glass tube filled with mercury pool. First, a glass tube is filled with mercury pool. Then the mercury is connected to a silver wire which serves as the electrical connection. So after this, the mercury is connected to a silver wire which is an electrical connection to the calomel electrode. The mercury pool is in contact with a saturated calomel solution and a potassium chloride solution through a porous ceramic frit. So the mercury pool is in contact with a calomel solution and potassium chloride solution, which we discussed in the previous slide, through a ceramic frit. Coming to the function of calomel electrode, the calomel electrode acts as a reference electrode, providing a stable and known potential for comparison in electrochemical measurement. So, the calomel electrode is used for electrical measurement to know the potential of comparison. It maintains a constant potential regardless of the solution composition or temperature changes. So the changes in the temperature or composition is constant when it is measured through calomel electrode. The calomel electrode is widely used in pH measurements, redox reactions, and other electrochemical studies. So the calomel electrode is also used in pH measurement of any chemicals, water, or any kind of substance, and during redox reactions also. Coming to the advantages of using a calomel electrode. Calomel electrodes have a long lifespan and require minimum maintenance. So the calomel electrode can last for many years, and the maintenance cost of a calomel electrode is very less as compared to other electrodes. So and they offer excellent stability and reproducibility in the electrochemical measurement. In the previous slide I told you they maintain stability during measurement of temperatures X and XYZ. Calomel electrodes are cost efficient compared to other type of reference electrode. This is the same first point which I discussed right now. They are they require minimal maintenance. That is what it told here in different words. Coming to the disadvantage of using calomel electrode, as it has advantages it should also have disadvantages. So what are the disadvantages over here? We have calomel electrodes contain toxic mercury posing environmental and health risks. As you know, mercury is a harmful chemical. That's why we don't use uh, thermometers which contains mercury right now. Instead of that we use a digital thermometer. So calomel electrode also uses mercury, which may cause trouble when exposed to pure oxygen or air. They are not suitable for measurements in solution containing high concentration of chlorine chloride ions. So measure, you cannot use a Calomel electrode when the measurement of any chemical has higher concentration of chloride ions in it. So Calomel electrodes may require recalibration over time to ensure accuracy in measurement. So you have to uh, keep an eye or check on the Calomel electrodes each and every time to ensure they measure accurately each and every time. So that's all about advantages and disadvantages. Now we have applications of Calomel electrodes. So where are Calomel electrode used right now? Calomel electrodes are commonly used in pH measurements in laboratory settings. As I discussed earlier, they are used in pH measurements. They are also used in redox titrations, electroplating, and corrosion studies. So basically, they are used in labs where you do all these titrations, electroplating, and corrosion studies. Calomel electrodes find application in environmental monitoring, pharmaceutical research, and electrochemical sensor development. So that was all about applications of Calomel electrode. Now we have maintenance of Calomel electrode, which I told is the low means the maintenance of Calomel electrode is very less, but also it should be done regularly. Regular check and refill the saturated Calomel electrode to maintain electrode performance. That's what I told right now. Store the Calomel electrode in a clean and dry environment when not in use. Because of the content, because it contains mercury, it should be maintained in a dry environment. So follow proper disposal procedure for Calomel electrode at the end of the lifespan to minimize environmental impact. So not only Calomel electrode, whatever you use, so we should use a proper disposal procedure for each and every thing item, let it be chemical, physical, or anything. So you should have a proper environmental disposal method for each and everything. Coming to comparison with other reference electrode, so we have many kind of electrodes. Calomel electrode is also one of it. So what is the difference between Calomel electrode and rest of the electrodes? Calomel electrodes offer good stability and reproducibility, but are not suitable for all type of solutions. So other electrodes don't provide that good stability and or reproducibility, but Calomel electrode provides good stability and reproducibility, but that is not suitable for all kind of solution. During that time you have to use other kind of electrodes. So silver and silver chloride electrodes are an alternative reference electrode choice with a wider range of applications. So instead of Calomel electrode, you can use the silver or silver chloride electrodes in place of what is this Calomel electrode. Silver and silver chloride electrodes are preferred in solution with higher chloride concentrations and offer similar performance to Calomel electrode. So as I told earlier, we cannot use Calomel electrode with where the concentration of chloride ions is more. So during that kind of conditions, you can use silver or silver chloride electrodes over there. So future development in Calomel electrode technology, researchers are exploring alternative materials and designs to replace mercury in Calomel electrodes. So as I told you, mercury is a harmful substance which cannot be exposed to air. So that's why you need to replace it. That's what research are doing right now. So efforts are underway to develop mercury-free reference electrodes with comparable performance to traditional Calomel electrodes. Advances in nanotechnology and material science may lead to development of more sustainable and eco-friendly reference electrodes. So electrodes are not that eco-friendly right now, but researchers are going on the how to improve the electrode in future. There might be a day where the electrodes are also eco-friendly and more user-friendly also. So coming to the conclusion, we have Calomel electrodes play a crucial role as reference electrodes in electrochemical measurements Despite their environmental and health concerns, Calomel electrode remain widely used in various applications. E- Even though there are too many disadvantages of Calomel electrode, but also there is no drop of the use of Calomel electrode. Instead of that, people are still using the Calomel electrode even right now also. Ongoing research and technological advancements aim to improve performance and sustainability of electrode technology. That's what I discussed. So, research are going on Calomel electrode. So maybe there would be a day in future where all of this research will be successful. So that's all for today, guys. Thank you for watching the video until the end. If you do like my video, share it with your friends and let them also know what good is happening in the channel. And if you want to be updated about my content, and if you like my video, please do subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching.